Ideally, yes, we want to be an efficient breather, right? Because we're going to get some deep oxygenation through our cells and our tissues, which is what we really want to keep the system vibrant, um, and resilient. But, I came to this practice and I still have some deficient breathing patterns, and these things can take years, if not maybe a decades to unwind. We're addressing something that's a very physical structure, which this beautiful body of yours has been with you for every experience you've had in your life, every emotion, every thought, every meanness, every kindness, every act of self love or self loathing. So the breath in an energetic, subtle way will find patterns that keep you safe. And sometimes it's about slowly dismantling. So we don't want to go in and try to manipulate and control the breath or force the breath. We won't get anywhere. Um, Trust
Well,
me, I'm
that's
sure
the
we've both tried to force it. It just doesn't work.
And I will say this to that as well. The breath is something, it's a great point of awareness. Like, where is my breath right now? How is it feeling in my body? What's going on? So it's a great way to check in on where you may be feeling. You're like, I'm fine. And then you check in with your breath and you're like, oh, I've been holding it for the last, I don't know how long. And it's a great thing that you have with you wherever you go. You don't need any special equipment. You don't need, you know what I mean? Like, you don't need to have anything special with you to help you regulate your nervous system. Like, it's with you all the time. It's something that you can check in with, and it's something that you can bring some awareness to and do consciously. And the payback, if you will, what you receive in return is exponential. So again, deceptively simple, but incredibly effective.